So for the first exercise that Almond and I are gonna do, he has 10-pound weights and I have my 25-pound weights. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work our legs and our arms. It's gonna be a 1 minute, we'll do 45 seconds, and you're doing what you can in 45 seconds. You do not have to rush. Just make sure that we're doing this for 45 seconds. This is move number 1. Ready? So I'm gonna stand up, then I'm gonna go right curl and left curl. And then you're just gonna be at your pace. Because I just want Almond to go nice and easy at his pace. Even though we're together, he can still go at his pace. So you don't have to rush. I'm going a little slower than I would normally go, but that's fine. So you can hear me talk. Looking good. How do you feel? Good. Is it bothering your head? No? Take your time. So as long as you're doing your curls, some people like to bring their palms up. If this is easier for you, bring your palms up. But look, I'm not throwing them over my head. So this is our first move. See, I got palms up. So it's to sit, come up. Perfect. So remember, it's 10 minutes. Okay, there you go. So take a break. You can shake your arms out and you're just gonna take one of your weights, right? Second move is here. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's for your shoulders and your quads. Take your time. There you go. How do you feel with this one? Is it too easy?
No.
Do you feel your heart rate coming up? Take your time. Look at you trying to straighten those arms all the way out. Don't rush. Let me see. Look at my arms straighten. All the way up. Lock your elbows. I don't want you to lock your elbows, but I want you to straighten those arms out. There we go. Straighten that leg out. So we're still using the leg without putting too much stress on that knee. Can you feel that? Perfect. You should be getting a little exhausted. There you go, that's your minute. Breathe. So that was your shoulders. Okay, that was 2 moves. Third move, we're standing up and we're turning our chair to the side. No, turn this way. That way when we go down, my right arm will be here. So I can do a row and bring it up. So you're gonna have to bring the chair in a little bit forward. There you go, and use that one. Left foot, right foot goes back. It's balanced, so go ahead and get your right leg off the floor. Lift your right foot up. And then take it down. Put your hand in the chair. Put your hand inside the chair, in the seat. Row, 1 row, release it, and then come back up. You got it? Hold on. So we'll do that for 1 minute. Are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, so as you get better, you can just leave that foot off the floor. So don't let the right leg touch the floor. Are we good?
Yeah.
What's wrong? Why you drop your weight? Yep, there we go. And then come up. So yeah, I don't want you to let your right foot touch the ground. Ready? Right foot up, touch the seat. Row, touch the top. And look at my foot. And relax. That was 1 minute. That's good. Yep. So how do you feel like you should do it? So that was 3 exercises. So this is number 4. So what do you know how it feels?
Yeah.
Show me. Show me how to do the exercise. We're doing the opposite side.
See, it's fucking crazy.
That's why I want you to
I know.
test. So
Touch.
down, row, and up. Okay, I'm turning on that timer. So take your time. Remember, it doesn't matter as long as you can do 5. Look at me. So I'm going down, I'm rowing, and then I'm not gonna let my foot touch the ground if I can. So I'm going down, row, release, come up, try not to touch the ground if I can. Take your time. Perfect. You see, I'm stabilizing that ankle, that knee, row, perfect. See, that's why you keep that chair beside you, because you get to use it, right?
Yeah.
You feel safer.
There's something to catch up.
Exactly. Oh, look at me. And up. So that standing leg, yes, it's gonna get tired. So my left foot is like, oh, Jesus, why is this leg? Because it's holding my entire body weight. And stop. Good job. Perfect. So that was 4.
Yeah, okay.
Let's have a seat. Is your heart rate coming up?
Yeah.
Okay. You said you guess?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. So I do want to do a tricep press. But can we go overhead? So I'm afraid for us to go here because I don't want you to think about hitting your head. You know what I'm saying? So what we'll do is go here.
I'm going to hold you with both hands, so that way.
Yeah, I just don't want to even try it. You know what I'm saying? Because we can do it here.
Let's try it.
Okay. So it's 1, 2,
Go do your thing. I want to see how.
lift and release. Okay, and everybody, we're stopping. So this is a modification and this is a stop for him. Bring it down. All the way down. So we're standing up.
Oh, we're going to stand up?
Mm-hmm. So I want you to stand up. So then we're changing our chair around and then I want you to lean over. Elbow up, and then just squeeze it back. Back. So just keep your elbow just like that. Lift it up, hold it, don't move it from there, and then just squeeze back. There you go. That's that tricep. There you go. You feel it? Right through here. 3, 4. And I didn't start the timer. 8, 9, one more. And relax. How do you feel?
11.
12, 13, 14, one more. And relax. We're good?
Yeah.
Let's do the other side. This is going to be called our traumatic brain injury workout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, one more, and 15. Okay, you ready? From the beginning. So should we do, you want to do 15 and 15?
Whatever you want to do. Yeah, that's cool.
Or are you gonna do 25?
Maybe 15 to start with.
How do you feel? Is your heart rate coming up?
Yeah. The sugar, I guess. You know, the honey.
What do you mean? It's making you get hyper?
No.
It's the workout.
It's just like it's good that my body's not correct.
Okay. Well, he says he's ready to go. No further talking. Let's do it. 15.
1, 2, 1.
And sit. 2. 3. 'Ready? Ooh. In front. Not over your head. In front. There you go. Perfect. Relax. Come up.
I think that one, it's good though. It's just like, I think a little doing of that stuff.
Okay. Yeah, because it's getting your heart rate up. So then we need lighter weights.
No, this is perfect.
Because we don't want you to have a headache.
No.
I'm thinking about after you leave.
No, I'll be fine.
Okay, come on.
That's,
So I want you to keep your chair out this time. And I want you to lift your left foot up. So here, row, release it, and bring your foot. Look at my body. All the way up. There you go. Right, because you're not supposed to be here. There you go. Out, push it out, row. Down and up. Ready? Perfect. And let's switch sides. Come over. Okay.
I think it's a brand new style for me. Maybe we can put it in my body. It's like this one over here, and then this one. So, alright. That's fine for me right now. This like, no, it's just like the body is kind of like, you know, like the muscle is like new to this kind of thing. So, you know, go do it, and then when you show me, you have to do it.
recording.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Here we go. We got triceps.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. You don't really need your chair. You can just go that. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. 7, and let's switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's it. Relax. Let's have a seat. That was your workout. That was a good 10 minutes for you. How do you feel?
It's pretty good.
And then what happens is you'll just get better and better and better and better.
Exactly.
Okay.